Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. It is nearly 7 o'clock. I was going to get away at 5, but last night was a bit late packing up and whatnot, and we're all loaded up and we're heading to Cootamundra. So first big trip with the Ram and the Monaro and the trailer. So got 10 hours and 20 minutes ahead of us, and yeah, so fully packed, fuel, awning, all that sort of jazz, and we're going to head off. Already dropped one coffee this morning, so I'm super pumped about that, and made myself another, so I'm about to hit the road, so let's get into it. Alright guys, made it to Coota. A public holiday, clearly. Dad's there doing the Ram. Monaro they were both absolutely filthy, like ridiculous, because it rained the whole way. But yeah, here, giving it a quick wipe down and then scrutineering this afternoon. I'm not 100% sure what's going on with filming because it says no real filming allowed, so hopefully I can at least do my own GoPro and shit, but we'll see what happens there. But all ready to go. Clean-ish anyway. So we're laughing. Alright, so just gonna go up the road here to the 100k zone and see how we're going. Have a little spurt there. Seems to be strong, pulling, and then just up there and on the road too a little bit, so pretty good. Just see how we go. Because I haven't got on it since it's had since the new turbo, so shit, that feels so good. Oh bloody hell, that's hilarious. Now I'm going to turn around now. I love this car. I haven't driven it like in ages, so yeah, that's so fast. I can't wait to get on the Airstrip. Just absolutely mental. I love it, so good. Alright, now we are in line. There's been a bit of a hold up because there's crop dusters that have been taking a piss and flying off. So in line, a few cars to go. The right lane is if you want to do practice launch and big burnout. Left lane just if you want to do a burnout, go straight down the line, which is all I want to do. So left lane, I'm just going to do burnout and then into it. See how we go for the first practice. This is like first solo practice, so no side by sides yet, just solo. So yeah, there's not meant to be any filming of like the racing, but I'm going to hopefully just be able to film my stuff, just me, and then obviously the GoPro there. Hopefully that should be sweet, but I understand that this is Motive's thing, and they want to get the best footage that they can. So that's it. But we'll see how we go. All right, here we go. basically for, I think it's like maybe 8 or something cars, and then they shoot us all back, so not too bad. That was a good run. That felt much better. Didn't feel as fast though, so I don't know what sort of was going on. Might just check over a few things and have a look, but still good. Alright, so I've had 3 runs. I'm lining up for my 4th, and the timing system isn't working. Someone ran over it, so which is a pain in the ass. But so the first run was 11.2 and 143 mile an hour, and then second was, don't know, there's no time, but left much better. Third was a 10.8 because I had the dragging, and that's given me a good time at 142, but it feels like it's just like getting to 140 mile an hour and just slow. So I don't know what's going on, but see what happens. guys, that is Cootamundra Muscle Car Challenge done. And heading back to German Gary's, my auntie and uncle's, and that's done. I didn't get a lot of footage, but I was just talking to Andrew then. He's going to send me a bunch of footage and overlay and shit like that, so that'll be pretty cool to have a bunch of his stuff, so I'm super pumped about that. Got knocked out straight away. The car did something funny. I don't know if it was a transit just sort of like slipped or something, and it was like, and then wouldn't build boost, and then, but anyway, I was racing the second fastest car there all day, so but yeah, I was just pumped to sort of be out there racing. My last run was the strongest it felt. It just felt like it had a lot more boost, and like I got mid-track and it just started blazing the tyres, so it was I nearly ended up in the other lane, so footage of that will be pretty cool to see, so pumped to see what they got, and yeah, so from there I'm just gonna don't mind do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.